Finance skills, a collection of Claude code skills that gives your agent a whole quant desk in one install. Valuation and DCF, options payoff with Greeks, earnings analysis, social media sentiment from Discord, LinkedIn, Twitter, Telegram, and Y Combinator, Funda AI research synthesis, a TradingView desktop reader, multi-perspective startup analysis, and a generative UI system for inline charts and dashboards inside Claude conversations. 2.6 thousand GitHub stars. V8 on ISO 1, shipped May 16th, MIT licensed. 1 NPX plugins add command for the whole pack. Let's walk through it. Pull up the repo at github.com/himself65/finance skills. README opens with the design statement, a collection of agent skills for financial analysis and trading, following the agent skills open standard. 6 plugin categories laid out in the directory tree. JavaScript codebase, MIT licensed, 2.6 thousand stars, 274 forks, 92 commits. Latest tag v8.0.1 from May 16. The Claude.md at the root tells Claude Code how to navigate the plugin structure when you are working on the repo, which is itself a nice touch. The skills package eats its own dog food. Himself65 built it solo and shipped it as MIT. The framing is the right one. A quant doing manual research touches the same 3 or 4 data sources every day, runs the same valuation models, reads the same primary sources on social media. Wrapping that workflow as agent skills means the agent can do the boring parts, and the human spends time on the judgment calls. 2.6 thousand stars in a few months suggests the pattern resonates. There are similar finance skill packs out there from Joel Lewis, Alirizar Zvani, Xavier Shea, and the Octagon AI team, all building on the same agent skills open standard, and Anthropic's own Claude Cookbooks repo has a financial applications notebook in the skills section. This one stands out as the most comprehensive single pack, and the only one that bundles a TradingView desktop reader and a Funda AI wrapper in the same install. Install is one command. NPX plugins add himself65/finance skills pulls all 6 plugins into .claude/plugins in your project. Claude Code loads them on next restart. If you want to be selective, pass --plugin with the name of a specific plugin, and only that one lands. Names are exactly what you would expect: market analysis, social readers, data providers, startup tools, UI tools, skill creator. Restart Claude Code and the skill commands show up under their respective namespaces. No API keys to configure for the offline skills, only for the third-party data providers that need them. Market analysis is the workhorse plugin. Valuation models. DCF with full sensitivity tables across WACC and terminal growth, plus comparables analysis pulled from the peer set. Earnings, preview, estimates, surprise history, post-print drift patterns, correlations across asset classes, liquidity profiles, ETF composition and overlap analysis when you want to know which 2 ETFs are secretly the same trade. Options payoff diagrams with Greeks and implied volatility, drawn as actual SVG, not described in text. SAS multiple compression analysis, useful when you are looking at a beatdown growth name and need to decide if the multiple already collapsed, or if there is more downside. CPAS style growth strategy framework on the chart pattern side. All of it pulls market data via Y Finance, so no extra API keys needed for the core valuation work. The plugin slots into Claude Code as name skills you invoke by intent, not by remembering the right Python function. Social readers handles the primary source layer: Discord, LinkedIn, Twitter and X, Telegram, Y Combinator threads, each with its own reader skill that knows how to traverse the platform and pull structured posts. There is a generic OpenClay fallback for sources without a dedicated reader, so if your alpha lives on a forum nobody else covers, you point OpenClay at it and Claude pulls posts the same way. Feeds straight into the sentiment analysis path in the data providers plugin, so the social reads become quantitative inputs rather than vibes. The data providers plugin is where it gets serious. Funda AI is wrapped as an MCP server inside this plugin. Analyst-grade research synthesis on demand. Ask for a DCF with current consensus. Ask for an earnings recap on a name you just saw. Ask for a sector deep dive. Funda generates the synthesis. The plugin returns it as structured data Claude can reason over. There is a REST API fallback for raw data when you want primary numbers instead of a synthesis. The TradingView desktop reader is the other standout. Drives the running TradingView app, captures quotes, full options chains with Greeks, and implied volatility, expiry dates, and the actual chart state from the app. Plus a Hormuz Strait monitoring skill, yes, the actual strait. which is the kind of niche geopolitical input that matters if you trade energy. Startup tools is the multi-perspective skill. Point it at a startup and ask for analysis, and it generates the same target from 3 viewpoints in parallel. The VC investor angle, total addressable market, defensibility, exit comps, cap table dynamics. The job applicant angle, runway, hiring posture, culture signals, technical bar. The founder angle, competitive landscape, partnership opportunities, what they would do differently if they were running it. Same target, 3 write-ups, each tuned to what that constituency actually cares about. Useful for diligence calls, where you have to pivot framing on the fly. 2 more plugins rounded out. UI Tools is a generative UI design system that renders interactive HTML and SVG widgets inside Claude conversations. Charts, tables, dashboards, payoff diagrams generated inline as artifacts instead of described in prose. The agent stops telling you about the data and starts showing you. Skill Creator is the meta tool, a framework for developing and evaluating new finance skills. The maintainer used it to bootstrap the rest of the catalog, and it is open for anyone who wants to extend the pack with their own market-specific skills. A collection of agent skills for financial analysis and trading, following the Agent Skills Open standard. Finance Skills README. That sentence captures why this matters, even if you do not trade. The Agent Skills standard is the interesting part. Finance Skills is one pack of 6 plugins, but the same install mechanism, the same .claude/plugins layout, the same restart Claude code and go pattern, works for any agent skill ecosystem. The pack itself is excellent if you do quant work. The ecosystem it plugs into is what changes how every developer ships agent capabilities going forward. NPX plugins add himself 65/finance skills in any project that uses Claude code. Restart Claude, and the 6 plugins are live. Configure API keys for the third-party providers if you want Funda AI and TradingView. Skip them if you only want the local valuation skills. Why Finance covers the core analysis without keys. If you only need part of the pack, pass -- plugin with the specific name, and only that one installs. MIT licensed, v8.0.1 shipped 2 weeks ago, 2.6 thousand stars, 274 forks. JavaScript codebase you can read and fork. URLs are below. Subscribe at Prism Labs for more AI tooling and developer workflow deep dives.